Hello, everyone, and welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts. And this is Tracy. I wanted to show you my fourth in a series of the 3D Hair Queen collection. And this is Indigo. And so I just wanted to bring a close-up for you that you can see what I have done with her. I used a bronze metallic cutout for her face. And then, of course, the fettuccine yarn for her braids. And then I have the hair jewels. I don't know what they're called, but they're the little rings for dreads on hair. And I created a turquoise color barrette hairband, and it is with wooden beads. And I wire wrapped the beads with gold wire, and then I added topaz rhinestones to her beads. Now if I bring this up close, you can see these hair jewels. I also trimmed the frame with the topaz rhinestones. I made her a pair of earrings with the same beads and wire wrapped them and put rhinestones on the beads. What else do I need to tell you about her? I did the edges of her frame with a turquoise washi tape, glitter washi tape, and then put the rhinestones on top of that. Of course, I signed T. Davis, and this queen was completed on December 3rd, 1922. And I just want to show you also how I finished the backs, because I like the backs to be as pretty as the front. Not as pretty, but I like them to look neat. So I used the velvet. I need to lint roll that, but I used black felt. I'm sorry, and put the hanging hardware on here. And then I named her. I put her name on here, Indigo, and she's number 4 in this series, and the date. And then I branded with Tracy Sweet Touch Production. And she's going out the door today. I'm making this video because I forgot to take pictures of her, and my client is coming to pick her up. Also, oh, I forgot. I did the coils in the turquoise aluminum wire and put them along her hairline, and then I also put the topaz rhinestones on her coils. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Hit the thumbs up. Please give me a like and leave a comment. Tell me what you think. And I don't know what I'm going to do for the next one. I don't know yet, but there's one in the workings. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Peace and love. And I'm out.